Hi guys, today we have a phone Nokia. Is a Nokia 215. I can show you. Is a TA-1264. This they have a security code. I can show you how to remove security code. We use N tool. Look there, we select for 2015. First to identify. Look there, we can identify. See, we insert a cable, it can identify automatically which firmware have. We just want to be flash it. Look there, identify. There is a file name. Look there, is a ZA0023. Look there, we want to be flash. Want to select a file. Look there, we already download it. Okay, yes. Now look there, this is a boot key. See, just press together and then insert a cable. Look there, identify. It's flashing now. Look it here. Want to see? There I have a code. Look there. No any more code. Thank you, subscriber our channel and press icon button. Thank you for watching.